Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by loading your raw files into Excel immediately. Open Data, choose Get Data, then from File, CSV, or Workbook. Once loaded, use Power Query to remove blank rows, split columns, and set correct types. This avoids downstream errors. Make sure to standardize date formats and trim whitespace while previewing rows, because consistent types let formulas and pivots behave predictably. Also enable the data model and analysis tool, pack so advanced functions and add-ins are ready when you need them. Once your queries are staged, perform transformations. Merge shipments with orders, append monthly exports, and unpivot attribute tables to long format. These steps simplify aggregation. Then load to the data model and create relationships between keys so pivot tables can pull related fields. Next, define measures with DAX for sums, averages, and percent changes. This keeps calculations consistent and fast. Make sure to use structured tables and named ranges for dynamic formulas, because they reduce broken references as your dataset grows. Now create pivot tables and pivot charts, add slicers, and arrange a dashboard so stakeholders can explore results. Once done, apply conditional formatting and sparklines to highlight trends, export final sheets as PDF or share via OneDrive for controlled access. Before distribution, refresh all queries and validate totals against source files. If numbers don't match, check query steps, data types, and applied filters. Often an incorrect step like an unexpected null or text-formatted number causes mismatches. Fix that and refresh again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.